So this is the part 3 of GATE Psychology series, and in this video we will be discussing the syllabus for your GATE Psychology 2025. If you have not yet watched the previous two videos where we have discussed the eligibility criteria as well as what is GATE Psychology, then make sure that you click on the link below and check the complete playlist from video 1, second, and this is the third part. In the next part, in the fourth part, we will be discussing the books that you must have for clearing this examination, just not to study, but you must have to clear the examination of GATE Psychology. Okay, all right, so let's move on to the website right now. And as told earlier, you have to just Google it, GATE 2025, click on the first link, and then when you will click on that GATE 2025 test papers and syllabus, you can get it from here. And when you scroll it down, and then you will get the syllabus, I guess. Yes, so you just have to come over here and humanities and social sciences, XH is your number. So you just click on this and then this part will get open. Reasoning and comprehension compulsory for all XH candidates. So we are XH C5, I guess. Yes, we are XH C5. So this is compulsory for XH candidates. So it will be compulsory for you as well. Okay. So this part is to test the candidate's ability to comprehend and interpret written information. This. Questions of this section XHB1 will test the following skills about the reading comprehension, expression, analytical reasoning, and logical reasoning. So these all can be easily catered with what you know with the PYQs. So you just do the PYQs and that is more than enough for all these things. Okay. All right. Then moving forward, we will go to C5. You come down in the PDF and then you will have this is philosophy C4 not to mention over here, and then we have the XHC5 psychology syllabus. So first of all, starting from research methods and statistics, this approaches to research designing. So this C5 complete portion is what is your syllabus of UGC net unit number second. So if you complete unit number second of UGC net, all this is covered pretty easily. Okay, so make sure that you just clear all this thing, and this is psychometrics thing. This is measurement aptitude test. This is your unit number 3 going on over here. C5.2, this is your unit number 3 of UGC net. So if you align your preparation with UGC net, it will be more easy because you have to follow the books which are same for UGC net as well as GATE. And this is your unit number 4 from biological and evolutionary basis of behavior, C5.3. Then this is your unit number 5 of UGC net, perception, learning, memory, forgetting. Then moving forward, thinking intelligence, this is your 6th unit of UGC net. And then moving forward towards personality, this is your unit number 7. And see, the personality topic is very little, very shallow over here. Only psychoanalytic, behaviorist, social cognitive view, humanism, although they have covered everything. Biology of personality and assessment of personality. So this is becomes important because of what projected techniques and all that. So it is more or less same as your UGC net. Then motivation, emotion, and stress and coping. All these things, social psychology, development across. So this is something different, very different. This applications of psychology. So this portion is not aligned with what? Not aligned with your UGC net in particularly because this is DSM, other tools, PTSD. This is aligned. See conceptions of mental orders. So in UGC net they don't ask much often, but for GATE psychology you have to prepare this as well. The little psychiatry portion, and these therapies are covered from unit number 9. So you can cover it from there. This all the things rest all are similar. Group dynamics, leadership to organizational setup, behavior, issues of personal space, crowding and territoriality यहाँ पर. So this all things becomes same when we look into UGC net syllabus. Okay, so what you have to do right now is UGC net syllabus is equals to your GATE psychology syllabus. But you have to be careful of what? Careful of that unit number 1 you don't have to read anything. Unit number 10 of UGC net you don't have to read anything apart from what? Apart from nothing. So unit number first and unit number 10 you can skip it completely. And for GATE psychology the level of questions is not that high. Okay, level of questions is not that high because this is just fourth or fifth year of examination being conducted, so that might be the case it seems, but for you it is helpful, it is easy that you can clear it pretty easily because the level of questions in UGC net gets little difficult as compared to this GATE thing. So you have to study the same syllabus UGC NET, but you have to not study that deep as far as gate paper pattern is concerned. For knowledge, you have to study. That's pretty obvious because you are aiming for PGT, PhD, and all that. So, but for clearing this examination, because we have other works as well. So for clearing this examination, you have to be smart. You have to study whatever things they are asking. Stick to that basics, and you can do rest of the things. Okay, so this is your gate psychology syllabus. You can download it from the website. How to download it? I have just shared you the technique how you can download that. And in the next video we will be discussing what we will be discussing the books that you must have, not just to study but to clear this examination. You must have that book, and you have to read line by line each and everything that is mentioned in that book, so that you don't have to refer any other thing, any other single thing you need to refer apart from PYQs. Okay, so these books plus the PYQs, the game is over. You will be able to clear the examination pretty easily. But make sure that you do it thoroughly. So this is the important thing, because not everyone will be doing the same thing and everyone will not be clearing the examination. But if you want to clear the gate psychology examination, then you must need to know what are these books, how important are these for clearing these examinations, because in upcoming videos we'll be sharing the details how 2021, 2022, 2023 and 24 paper are all set up from these books. Okay, so these two primary books we will be discussing in the next video. So make sure that you are watching the part 4th as well, and if you have not yet subscribed the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel as well as join the Telegram channel as well for upcoming all the details and videos regarding GATE psychology as well as UGC NET. So if you are aiming for UGC NET as well, you can join. It will be more helpful for you, and GATE psychology also is included in that. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope this video helps. If you like the video, thanks for liking the video. Make sure that you share it with your friends who are aiming for GATE psychology, and join the Telegram channel. Thank you. See you all in part 4.